Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account public. If you have already made your account private and now you want to make it public, then you're at right place. So, let's get started. To make your private account to public, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, tap on Settings. Once you're in Instagram Settings, tap on Privacy. Under Account Privacy, toggle the switch next to Private Account to the off position. When your account is public, anyone can see your posts and stories. People can also follow you without requesting your approval. Read all the information on the pop-up menu, and finally tap on Switch to Public. That's it. You've now successfully made your Instagram account public. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful tutorials.